Loosen the screws of the front fender support bar. Loosen the top fixing screws. Remove front fender. Loosen the screws on the rear fender support bar. Front end screws. Top screw. Remove rear fender. Putting on new fenders. Putting the new fenders together. Put back the front fender. Fixed support bar. Secure top screw and headlight. Putting back the rear fender. Secure all screws. Incorrect fender height. Loosen the screws at the support bar expansion and contraction area. Adjust fender height. Tighten the screws at the expansion joints. Adjustment completed.